How to use Tinder for productivity. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy on how you can use Tinder for productivity. Now, while Tinder is primarily a dating app, some users have created or creatively repurposed it for productivity. This can involve using the app's features like the swipe right mechanic or profile optimization to simulate a system for prioritizing tasks or even marketing oneself for career opportunities. Now, first is the task prioritization. A Reddit user developed a prototype app, Tinder for Tasks, where users swipe right on tasks they want to prioritize and left on those they want to defer. The app learns from your swipe, suggesting the most relevant tasks when you are ready to work on them, similar to how Tinder learns user preferences. Similarly, it has a concept. Tinder can be used as a platform to showcase skills, experience, and personality to potential employers, or collaborators as well. Optimizing your profile with strong photos and engaging bio and relevant information can attract attention from individuals in your field. This can lead to networking opportunities, job leads, or even collaborations with like minded professionals. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.